Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into 10 powerful fasting hacks that can completely transform your intermittent fasting journey. Whether you're just getting started or you've been fasting for a while, these tips will help you maximize fat loss, reduce cravings, and make fasting way easier. Ready to fast smarter, not harder? Let's jump right in. A lot of people try to jump straight into a 16-8 or even 24-hour fast, and then crash and burn. That's like running a marathon without any training. Hacks start with a 12-12 fast. That's 12 hours of fasting and 12 hours of eating. Once your body adapts, gradually increase your fasting window by an hour each week. Your digestive system needs time to adjust. This slow build makes fasting sustainable and helps avoid hunger crashes. When you're not eating, you're not getting hydration from food, and that can mess with your energy levels and hunger cues. Drink plenty of water, but add electrolytes like sodium, magnesium, and potassium, especially if you're fasting more than 16 hours. Try adding a pinch of Himalayan salt to your water or drinking sugar-free electrolyte drinks. This can prevent headaches, fatigue, and keto flu symptoms. Good news, you don't have to skip your morning brew. Hack black coffee has almost no calories and can actually suppress appetite and boost fat burning by increasing norepinephrine levels. Stick to no cream, no sugar, and avoid flavored coffees that might break your fast. It's not about starving yourself, it's about timing. Try pushing your first meal by just 15 to 30 minutes every few days. If you normally eat at 8 a.m., try 8:30 a.m., then 9 a.m., and so on. This slow shift helps your body get used to longer fasts without feeling deprived or triggering binge behavior later. Hunger is often boredom in disguise. Use fasting hours to be productive. Work, clean, read, walk, or plan your day. Avoid sitting around thinking about food. When your brain is focused, hunger fades into the background. It's psychological, and you can outsmart it. After a long fast, it's tempting to eat a huge meal, but that can backfire. Break your fast with something light and protein-rich like eggs, bone broth, or Greek yogurt. Then wait 30 to 60 minutes before a larger meal. This stabilizes blood sugar and prevents overeating or bloating. ACV isn't just trendy, it's actually helpful during fasting. A tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in water before meals or during your fast, as long as it's diluted and under 5 calories, may curb appetite and stabilize blood sugar. Also, it helps digestion and can reduce cravings during your eating window. If you're feeling super hungry during your eating window, it's probably because you're not filling your stomach enough. Eat foods that are nutrient-dense and high in volume, like leafy greens, zucchini noodles, soups, or berries. They keep you fuller for longer without loading you up on calories. Exercise can boost the effects of fasting, but timing is key. Hack light cardio or strength training in a fasted state can accelerate fat loss and improve insulin sensitivity. But listen to your body. If you feel weak or dizzy, shorten the workout or eat a small protein-rich snack post-workout. And always stay hydrated during fasted workouts. Fasting can feel isolating, but it doesn't have to be. Use apps like Zero, Fastic, or Dough Fasting to track your progress, get tips, and stay motivated. Seeing your fasting streak build up and setting reminders makes it feel like a game, and keeps you accountable. Remember, fasting isn't a punishment, it's a tool. Listen to your body. If you're feeling ill, weak, or overly stressed, pause. It's about progress, not perfection. And there you have it. All these small hacks that can seriously level up your results. Tried any of these before? Got your own tips? Drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell if you want more science-based health and wellness content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay strong and stay smart with your fast.